Today I will share with you the recipe for restaurant-style chicken brown curry. This recipe can be prepared easily in a short time with very few ingredients. So let's start making it now. Add 1 cup of oil. When the oil is hot, add 1 kilogram of chicken. Fry on high heat. When the chicken turns golden, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Fry well. Two tablespoons of chopped coriander. 1 tablespoon of chopped cumin. 1 tablespoon of ground black pepper. 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix all the spices well. Add a yogurt and mix. Cover and cook on low heat until the chicken is cooked through. When the yogurt water dries up, add coriander, ginger, green chilies, lemon. Mix. And add a little water and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Restaurant-style chicken brown fry is ready. If you like it, like, subscribe, and share. We will be back soon with a new and good recipe.